Hello, I'm Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Bastiodon. So in your craft packet, you will have a long white strip of paper, some white pieces to cut out of construction paper, some orange pieces to cut out of construction paper, and lots of gray pieces to cut out of construction paper from 2 sheets of gray paper. You will also have a big cardboard shield that is painted gray for you already and ready to wear. So we are going to make a Bastiodon shield. And the first thing we need to do is just cut out all of these pieces of paper. And as you're cutting them out, notice that on this long gray piece, this is going to be our nose, there are 2 little circles that we need to cut out the inside of. And then also this little line here at the tip of the nose, cut right along that line. So once we get all those cut out, I will show you how to put it all together to make a Bastiodon shield. So once we have all our pieces cut out, we are going to start with the pieces that go at the very top of the shield, which will be our 2 large white pieces and our gray piece that has the 3 bumps. So we're going to take those and grab our shield and go to wherever is going to be the top of yours, and we'll grab a glue stick, and then I'm just gonna put 1 line of glue right across the bottom of my gray piece, and then put that right in the center at the top of our shield. Once I have that on, I'm going to grab my 2 white pieces and do the same thing. Just line of glue across the bottom. And then those will go on right next to the gray piece, right at the top corners. So that everything is sticking off the top of the shield. We'll do that for both of our white pieces. The next pieces we'll use will be our 4 large single gray lumps. Kind of look like windows. And they are going to go on either side, kind of lined up with the middle of like the edge where the gray and white at the top join. Just kind of going to go right underneath the middle, just coming down a little bit. So we're going to glue these 4 pieces on. So for these, since the whole thing is going on the shield, we'll put glue all over. And then the next 2 just go a little bit lower down underneath. We want to leave enough room down at the bottom to still put the eyes and then have a little space underneath. Go ahead and glue these 2 on as well. And then we're going to go ahead and take our 4 smaller orange pieces that look the same shape, just smaller. They go right into the center of these 4 gray pieces. So we'll go ahead and add glue to these. Stick them on. All right. Once those are on, then we'll move down to the eyes next. And as I said, these will go a little bit under our 2 sections that we just put on, so leave a little bit of space on either side of the eye, both above and below it. And we'll just put those both on. All right, once the eyes are on, we're going to come down to the very bottom and grab our 2 little gray pieces with the 2 bumps, and we're going to glue those on either side of the bottom of the shield, just like we did the top, but they're on the edges and there's nothing in between. So just a line of glue, and then stick them on the bottom edges of the shield. All right. Now for the nose. The nose piece is the trickiest part. I'm going to make it a little bit 3D. So the way we're going to do that is by taking this part where we, at the bottom where we cut this little slit, we are going to put some glue on the side of it that does not have little nostrils drawn on. And then we're going to overlap those little nostrils with that part that we just put some glue on. And that makes this become a little 3D. Now we're going to kind of make a gentle fold here going down the middle of the nose area so that we can line up our little holes here. So in just a minute, we're going to add a white bar that's going to go through them. To do that, we got to make our bar. So this is where our long white piece of paper comes in. I'll move the shield to the side for the moment. I'm going to take this long white paper and we're just going to roll it up into a long white bar. Now, you can just stick it in like this without sealing it at all. But I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on mine. You could also tape it. I'm just going to kind of put glue all along 1/2 kind of, and then along that last edge. And then go ahead and roll it up. We want to roll it up small enough that it's going to get through those little holes that we made on the nose. If you needed to flatten it, to press it down to get the glue to hold, that is fine. We can always just press back along that seal, that line, the fold, to make it puff back up. But then we can take our little nose piece and stick that through both of the holes, and then put it about halfway through. Now, to make attaching our nose to the shield a little bit easier, we have this little rectangle. So we're going to fold this little gray rectangle in half, and we're going to put some glue on 1/2 of it. And then we're going to stick that right inside the nose. So if you flip your nose over, on the inside of the 3D part, just stick that little tab that we just made on the inside of the nose. So we're gluing that, and now from the front, it'll look like this, but we're going to fold this back, and now this tab will give us a surface to glue to the shield so that the bottom of the nose stays in place. For the top of the nose, we're just going to put glue right on the top of it. Doesn't have to go all the way down, just a little bit at the top, and then on this little tab that we just made. We'll grab our shield again. Nose is going to go on right in between the eyes. So the easiest way to do it is going to be to put that little tab down flat, press that down, and then lay the rest of the nose down flat and press the top of it down. And then we've got our nose on. Now I actually put mine on a little bit high, so I could leave it, but I think I'm going to scoot it down. So put that glue on the tab. I'm going to scoot it down further between the eyes. Then flip it down and press down that glue part up there, and that is much better. So we want this bar to be right kind of in between the space of the eyes and the little windows above it, rather than in the middle of the windows like it was when I first put that on. And last but not least, we have some little teeth. So these go across the bottom here, but two go just on either side of the little nose. I'll stick one on one side of the nose so it's sticking up. The tooth sticks up between the side of the nose and the eye. And then the other two teeth go a little further on the outside, and they overlap with the side of the eye on either side. And then our Bastiodon shield is complete. I'd let them dry for just a little bit, just to make sure that glue is securely holding everything on. But then he can be your shield for battles. He is all complete. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.